Hello friends. The title of the video is Sovereign Foreign Currency Bond. Sovereign foreign currency bonds are issued by the sovereign countries like India, UK, USA and so on. Issuance of sovereign foreign currency bonds will enable the country to tap into a new set of investors. This will be done without adversely affecting the existing channel of capital flows. Sovereign issuance typically bring in capital for 5 years or more. If issued, sovereign foreign currency bonds would bring India two sets of benefits. The first would come in the short term, help in funding part of the fiscal deficit. From an investor's perspective, relatively higher yield combined with no local currency risks and India's attractive long-term growth story should be sufficient to ensure the decent demand. A collateral result of foreign currency bond issuance is that it would also bring more independent scrutiny of government policies and fiscal health. Ultimately, this may act as a catalyst to speed the decision making and help to strengthen the institutions at the margin. Similarly, government can engage a much larger set of fixed income investors. This would include some of the biggest investors globally, and they could be engaged in a constructive manner to fund India's growth ambition. Questions have been raised about the currency risks that could result from foreign currency bond issuance. With the public debt management office being set up and size of issuance being limited, managing the risks that come with the foreign debt issuance are not complicated. There are variety of instruments available in the market to manage the risks and government related entities are well positioned to utilize them. To conclude, though there is a risk regarding the issuance of sovereign foreign currency bond, but we should take it to align with the global economy. Thank you for watching my video.